23523 for hearing. Hearing notice on the parties. Now, what about counsel for 40-2022?
Not at all.
40-2022. Mute your mics, please, gentlemen. If you're not in the suit being called up, mute your mics, please. Mr. Michael Uzoka versus Mixing Mining and Separation Limited. That is 40-22. Still no counsel. 23523 for hearing then. Hearing notice on the parties. Now, the National Union of Food Beverages, Tobacco and Employees, and Tobacco Employees and 7 others versus GIB. You have counsel for that matter? NRCN /ABJ/384/2022, National Union of Food Beverages and Tobacco Employees and 7 others versus just International Brewers and 1 other. No counsel? Ask for the last time. Any counsel for the parties on the platform? Are you in this matter? I can't hear you.
Yes, my lord.
There's something wrong with your connection.
My lord. Good morning, my lord.
Well, I'll come back to your matter later. Check your connection and I'll come back to your matter later. Mr. Ignatius Dalon and 2 others and Mr. Stabita Atakulu.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Counsel is present, my lord.
Who do you represent?
Represent the plaintiffs, my lord.
And your name is?
M.Y. Danum. I appear with Pandak Y. Power for the plaintiff's applicants, my lord.
Yes, who appears for the defendants? No representation?
My lord, the counsel is there. We can see him.
Then let him speak up. I don't have time to waste. I have a lot of work to do, please. Who is counsel?
The counsel is E.A. Adenitan. We can see him on the
So
screen.
you have an application?
Yes, my lord.
When did you file this application?
My lord, the application was filed on the 1st day of February 2023.
First day of February.
My lord, 21st, 2-1.
Oh, I can hear now.
Yes.
No, my lord, on the 1st February. So sorry, my lord. 1st February.
Yes, let me take appearance for the defendant counsel.
Okay. With most profound humility and greatest respect, my lord.
Yes.
E.A. Adeniton is my name.
Yes.
My lord, my most humble appearance is for the defendant applicant in this matter, sir.
There are 2 pending applications.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, there are 2 pending applications indeed.
Yes.
But my lord, I'm announcing appearance for the defendant applicant in the notice of preliminary objection, sir.
You have a preliminary objection
Yes, sir.
on the ground, on what grounds?
My lord, we are challenging the jurisdiction of this honorable court on the grounds that the second defendant sued in this matter is not a juristic person.
And what is the name of the second defendant?
The name of the second defendant as sued in this matter is Adonai Vine School.
And who do you represent?
I represent the first and second defendant.
So you represent a non-juristic person.
Yes, sir.
Think carefully before you answer.
I represent the person.
You represent the non-juristic person.
I represent the person sued as Adonai Vine School, sir.
And you're saying that is not your name?
It's not a name known to law. That is our contention, my lord.
So your financed appearance for a party whose name is not known to law.
As the court pleases.
Does that even make sense? If the person does not exist, how come you represent the person? Do you understand what I'm saying?
My lord.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying?
My lord, factually and legally.
If Adonai Vine School does not exist, then how did Adonai Vine School brief you?
My lord, what we are saying is that.
But that is by the way.
As the court pleases.
Now, your application seeks to terminate the suit against the second defendant, right?
As the court pleases.
However, the claimant has an application, right?
Yes, my lord.
Seeking to amend the name from Adonai Vine School to reflect it now as Adonai Vine School Limited.
My lord, that is an afterthought. We have also filed a reply on point of law to that effect.
Mr. Denison,
yes, my lord.
When there are two competing applications.
Yes, sir.
Right? One seeks to terminate and one seeks to save. Which one should the court take first?
Sir?
When there are two competing applications, right?
Yes, sir.
One seeks to terminate the matter while the other one seeks to save the matter. Which one should the court take first?
My lord, ordinarily, with all due respect, your lordship, my lord, the law is that the court should take the one which seeks to save the matter if the matter is such that can be saved.
Good. Now,
if it's such that can be saved,
yes,
our contention here is that.
Mr. Davidson.
Yes, my lord.
You always need to ask yourself, what is the end point of every application you make in court?
Yes, my lord.
Right? Now, by your primary objection, you want the name of the second defendant to be struck out. That is correct?
The name of the second defendant, yes, my lord.
As constituted, you want it struck out because it's not a
yes, my lord.
Right?
Yes, my lord.
Does that foreclose the claimant now from refiling against the second defendant in his proper name?
My lord,
yes,
that is
yes or no.
My lord, in agreement with your lordship, the answer is yes, my lord.
Mr. Denison.
Yes, my lord.
It forecloses him from suing the second defendant if your preliminary objection succeeds.
Yes, my lord.
How does that work? Please educate me.
My lord, what we are simply saying is that if this application succeeds,
yes,
they have the right to come back and do the proper thing by suing in the name of the proper person.
That is exactly what the court asked you, Mr. Denison.
Exactly, my lord.
Your application seeks to take out the name of the second defendant as constituted.
Of the second defendant, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Do not talk over me, Mr. Denison, please.
No, I'm so sorry, my lord. I'm so sorry, my lord.
Now,
I'm so sorry, my lord.
Your application seeks for the name of the second defendant to be struck out, right?
Yes, my lord.
But that does not foreclose the claimant from coming back against the second defendant in his proper name. Is that correct?
As the court pleases.
Now, there's already an application here that seeks to cure the defect that will get you what you want, to be sued in your proper name so that issues can be ventilated and be pronounced upon. So why do you want to go through the whole hog of having the matter struck out and then refiling? That is your preference.
It's all right, my lord.
That is your preference.
My lord, is the preference of the law that that is the legal stipulation, sir. My
you know
Lord, and
what?
that is contained in
Do you
our
know what?
argument.
Do you know what? We'll do this in open court, right? We'll resume on the 2nd of May in open court, right? Be in court on that day, both parties, so that we'll take this argument. I'll give a bench ruling on that day, and then we'll proceed.
Okay, my lord, as the court pleases.
As the court pleases. As the court pleases.
So 2523 for hearing of both applications.
As the court pleases. My Lord, we are most grateful. We thank your lordship for the indulgence given to us.
Thank you.
And we wish my Lord a very good working day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, my Lord.
Yes. So do you have counsel for Mr. Stephen Mara and Plateau State Board of Internal Revenue? Mr. Stephen Mara, Plateau Board of Internal Revenue.
I'm in the matter, my lord.
Okay. Well, first of all, before your matter, the National Union of Food Beverages and Tobacco Employees, is the council now ready? Council for National Union of Food Beverages and Tobacco Employees and Jos International Breweries. The matter was called up earlier on. Council had a problem with connection. I will not go back to it. Is council on the platform? Is the council ready to proceed? 24523 for hearing notice on the parties then. That's for National Union of Tobacco Employees. Yes, Mr. Stephen Mara, right?
Yes, my lord.
I'm trying to sort out the files. Give me 1 second.
As the court pleases.
Yes, can I have your appearance?
Respectfully, my lord,
Yes.
M.M. Mandong is my name, and I humbly appear for the judgment creditor applicant. Most grateful, sir.
Ganishi?
No, my lord. It's the Stephen Mara matter, my lord.
M.M. Mandong, right?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My humble appearance.
Yes.
I humbly appear for the judgment creditor applicant, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Mano.
Yes, my lord. The matter is actually for report of settlement.
Yes.
But however, we still have the final stage to go through, my lord. Settlement is ongoing and there's huge progress in the
You wanted it, right?
Yes, my lord.
When do you want to come back?
My lord, if the court can grant us just a short date, maybe in a week time or two, my lord.
Just the date, the 4th of May.
Yes, my lord, 4th of May is convenient, my lord.
So 4/5/23 for report of settlement, hearing notice on the other party.
As the court pleases, my lord, I'm most grateful.
Mr. Ibang Michael Oputu and Jos Electricity Distribution. Do you have counsel? Mr. Ibang Michael Oputu, Jos Electricity Distribution. Still 5/23 for hearing notice on the parties. Buit Satis Nathaniel and IGI.
Yes, I'm present, my lord.
Buit Satis Nathaniel and Industrial and General Insurance.
Yeah, I'm present. Yes, my lord.
Yes, appearances.
With profound humility and respect to your lordship, J.E. Okonkwo is my name.
Yes.
My humble appearance, my lord, is for the judgment creditor applicant.
Yes, Mr. Okonkwo.
Yes, my lord, the matter is slated today for the hearing of our motion ex parte.
Yes.
And subject to my lord's convenience, we're ready to proceed, sir.
Mr. Okonkwo, what happened on the last time this matter came up in open court?
Okay, the last time it came up, my lord was not so happy because we filed only a day before the date, sir, before the date for hearing.
That is one infraction. You do not file processes the day before hearing.
Yes,
that
sir.
Is one infraction. There was another infraction before that day.
Okay, my lord asked who are the garnishes. And I explained to my lord that First Bank and Global Trust Savings are the garnishes. As this is a little technical, my lord, the funds belonging to the judgment debtor in this matter is domiciled with Global Trust Savings and Loans.
So why are you bringing First Bank into this?
No, because the same Global Trust Savings and Loans is a microcredit bank. It's not a conventional bank. So they have their funds with First Bank of Nigeria, sir. That's their account, their sole account is with First Bank of Nigeria, sir. So for us to have access to these funds, First Bank has to be a garnishee as well, sir.
Why?
Because it is both with Global Trust Savings and Loans Limited and First Bank of Nigeria Limited.
Does IGI have funds with First Bank?
Yes, sir.
IGI have funds with First Bank?
Yes, sir, but under Global Trust Savings and Loans.
Now,
yes, my lord.
So if an order is made now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want an order of court for garnishee order 9I against the funds belonging to who?
Against the funds belonging to IGI.
Good. The funds belonging to IGI, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Where?
sir.
Where?
Under both Global Trust Savings and Loans and First Bank of Nigeria. Now, the reason is this, sir. If we go directly to
Mr. Okonkwo,
yes,
First
sir.
Bank would conduct a search of his database. Would it find an account with the name Industrial and General Insurance from his database?
It will, sir, but there is no fund directly. It will. There's an account, but there are no funds.
It is simple. Garnishee proceedings. You proceed against garnishees that are holding the funds belonging to the judgment debtor, right? The funds are either with Global Trust, right, or with First Bank.
Sir. Yes, sir.
So which one is it?
Global Trust.
The order would have to state that the garnishee should hold on to the funds domiciled in all accounts operated by the judgment debtor, domiciled with it. Would First Bank have such an account in the name of the judgment debtor?
No, my lord.
Then why is First Bank here?
Now, my lord, the reason is quite technical, as I mentioned earlier, my lord.
That is why I'm giving you time to explain yourself.
Yes, and I appreciate indulgence, my lord. You see,
I'm just going to strike out your application because I had raised this in open court.
My lord, like as I was trying to explain,
go ahead.
These funds are directly with Global Trust Savings and Loans. Now, this
Global
is
Trust Savings and Loans.
And
right?
Loans Limited.
There's an account belonging to the judgment debtor, domiciled with Global Trust Savings and Loans.
Yes, my lord.
There's an account in that name.
Yes, there's an account in that name, my lord.
Right? So
yes, sir.
So if there's an account with that name, with the name of the judgment debtor there, and you are certain that First Bank does not have an account, there's no account in the name of the judgment debtor with First Bank.
Yes.
Do you have the account number for the Global Trust and Savings?
Yes, my lord. It's contained in the affidavit, sir. On the first page, sir, paragraph A. It is 20287135.
It's there. It's there.
Yes, sir.
It is with First Bank.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Okonkwo, you said there's no account with First Bank.
No, there's none, sir. They've cleaned it up.
You furnished the court with an account number showing that the account, this account 20287, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
That account is domiciled with First Bank. That's what you said here.
I take the hints of the court, sir. May I humbly apply for a last adjournment to enable us put our house in order, sir? A last adjournment, sir.
May 23 for hearing offending application.
Let's go, please. I'm most grateful, sir. I'm most grateful, sir.
Mr. Kamaru Olumide Hassan, another versus IGI. Is it the same thing?
It's the same thing.
You will come back on the 30th of May, 23.
I'm most grateful, sir. I'm most grateful, sir.
Reverend Yakubu Damta versus Registered Trustees of Church of Christ in Nation.
Okay,
Dr. AJ Innocent, University of Jos, another.
thank you.
Dr. AJ Innocent, University of Jos, and one other. NICN/Jos/01/2023. Dr. AJ Innocent and University of Jos, and one other. No appearance.
Good morning, my lord.
30th of May 23 for hearing notice on the parties.
The court pleases. Good
You're
morning,
in
my
the
lord.
matter. You're in the matter.
I am in the one for National Union of Food, Beverages, and Tobacco Employees, my lord.
Well, you finally sorted it out, but we've already adjourned your matter to 24/5/23. There are two matters, right?
Yes, my lord. There are two matters.
24/5/23 for both matters.
4-5. All right. I'm most grateful.
What was wrong with your connection?
In fact, I don't know. I'm even using the phone of the registrar to help me out.
Mr. Michael Uzoka and Mingzing Mineral Separation Nigeria Limited. You have counsel? Mr. Karamaru Olumide Hassan, Mrs. Josephine Okogu versus IGI. Oh, okay. Hold on already. I think we've gone through the list. Any other counsel on the platform whose matter has not been called? All right, gentlemen. Thank you. Have a good day.